Hey everybody, how's it going? Jonathan here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to completely build out a blog, like a full blog with hundreds or dozens of blog posts, to how to get the ideas for the blog post and then how to generate those blog posts using ChatGPT. Let's get right into it. So you could take an idea, like for example, give me 15 blog post ideas about marathon running. Type that into ChatGPT, and here you go. 15 blog post ideas about marathon. The top 10 marathons in the world, a beginner's guide, benefits of marathon running for overall health, the best shoes for marathon running, how to fuel for a marathon. And then you can take one of these responses, and say, write me a 500-word blog post on, and you put in quotes, the history of the marathon and its cultural significance. Sure thing. Here's 500 words. And then it writes you the blog post. And then all you have to do is copy and paste it right into your, whatever website you have or whatever it may be. I mean, this is accurate information. Marathon gets its name from the legend of Phidippides, a Greek messenger who was sent from the town of Marathon to Athens to announce the victory of the Athenians over the Persians in the Battle of Marathon. Interesting. Wow. This is a good enough for me. You can take each one of these and put it in ChatGPT, and you'll have a full-on blog in no time. But it really begs the question of where blogging is going to go now, because I think the written word has been over for a while. I don't know. I guess time will tell. But anyway, that's how you use ChatGPT to build out a blog. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.